Hi, in this video we're going to discuss the Raritan P8 Superflush. We're going to look at what the features and benefits of this toilet are, as well as how it compares to others that are in the market. Raritan has made this version toilet since about 1960. While there have been several changes over the years to upgrade the design, there's several aspects of it that still remain constant. So let's take a look at a few of those now and see really what makes this Raritan P8 toilet different than others that you'll see in the market. Okay, one of the key features to this pump really is the pump material, what the pump is actually made out of. If you take a look, you notice how thick this is. This is an engineered polymer. This is not your traditional cheap plastic that you'll see on other models. This is heavily engineered and designed to be used in commercial applications as well as recreational and liveaboard use. When we look at the piston diameter, it's about 66% larger than what you'll see in other models. Smaller pistons don't allow the head to clear as quickly and move the fluid and effluent out of the toilet. A larger diameter means you're going to be able to pump this head just a few times for it to clear the bowl. When we look at the handle itself, the handle is a lever style. Again, kind of designed that using leverage makes the pump a whole lot easier to pump than as if you were using a traditional vertical T-pump handle. The handle can be retracted to stay out of the way, so it's perfect for confined and cramped spaces. This has a flush and a dry flush option. Normally when we're flushing the toilet, we're going to be in the flush position. To move to the dry position, you simply turn it back, you pump the toilet, and it will take the contents that are in the bowl out. This means that you won't have any water sloshing in the bowl while the boat is rocking and things like that. When we look at the discharge elbow can rotate 360 degrees. Once you have it in the position you like, you can go ahead and tighten the bolts here. We feature a full-size joker valve. This full-size joker valve means that as waste is going through, we're trying to prevent fluid from coming back. Some competitive model toilets will use a much smaller joker valve, which means, especially when we're using a raw water flushing toilet, calcium deposits, toilet tissue, things like that can get stuck in here. Ours is a much larger one, which means that's less likely to happen. Okay, now moving back to the toilet, a couple of the key features we have starts off with our slow close seat with locking tabs. The locking tabs that are underneath of the lid help to lock the seat in place while the boat's rocking. So the seat isn't going to slide, the hinges aren't going to break, things like that. The slow close nature of the seat means we won't have any annoying seat slamming in the middle of the night. We use stainless steel fasteners to prevent any corrosion issues, and it's made with a nice white baked enamel finish. These toilets can be either mounted above or below the waterline. The pump itself can be switched from right-hand to left-hand operation in the field if you like. The bowls are available in two sizes, the compact marine size, which is our part number P101, or our household size, which is part number P102. The household size is just, gives a little bit more space, is a little bit more comfortable. If you want to look to upgrade the toilet itself, you could keep your seat in your bowl and simply purchase part number P103, which would be the pump with the base itself. Retrofitting the toilet completely from competitive models is pretty easy as well. The footprint that we use on the Superflush toilet is similar to what you'll see on the market today. So pulling out that old toilet and upgrading to the P8 Superflush is something that is relatively easy to do now thanks to that mounting footprint. Each unit is water tested and assembled by hand in the New Jersey office, and all units are available and ready to ship within 24 hours of order receipt. They can either be ordered online or through any of the major distributors in the marine industry. With that, if you have any more questions, you want to get any more information on the Raritan P8 Superflush, you can visit our website at www.raritaneng.com,